Okay, should be 2. Please write your name on the top. This is our last alphabet test. One more practicing vowels. So again, A, the sound is A. E, the sound is E. I, O, Ah, and U, So A, I, And this test is the same as this one. So I read a word, and for each one you have 3 choices, and you circle the word I say. Okay, there are 10 questions on this one. Number 1, cat. Cat. Is it left, middle, or right? Number 1, cat. Number 2, fun. Fun. Is it left, middle, or right? Fun. Number 3, rib. Rib. Is it left, middle, or right? Rib. Number 4, hum. Hum. Is it left, middle, or right? Hum. Number 5, sob. Sob. Is it left, middle, or right? Number 5, sob. Number 6, dug. Dug. Left, middle, or right? Dug. Number 7, rod. Rod. Is it left, middle, or right? Rod. Number 8, lead. Lead. Is it left, middle, or right? Lead. Number 9, vat. Vat. Is it left, middle, or right? Vat. And number 10, wet. Wet. Left, middle, or right? Wet. Okay, now I will say all the words again. Number 1, cat. Number 2, fun. Number 3, rib. Number 4, hum. Number 5, sob. Number 6, Doug. Number 7, rod. Number 8, lead. Number 9, vat. And number 10, wet. Okay, when you're finished, check this off. Watch video 4, all done. Next, watch video 5, October calendar questions. So that is on the other side of this page, and it's just questions about our calendar.